Let's dive into the world of kitchen herbalism with a recipe for Nettle Pesto, a vibrant green delight that not only tantalizes your taste buds, but also packs a punch of health benefits. But before we get cooking, let's talk about why nettles are so special. As the leaves change and the crisp winds of autumn usher in a season of transition, nettles emerge as a steadfast ally for the body's preparation for winter. These transitional seasons are a time where nourishing the body is of utmost importance. Packed with iron, vitamins, and minerals, nettles are like nature's multivitamin. Eating them raw, like in this pesto, preserves their anti-allergenic properties, making them a fantastic choice for those pesky seasonal allergies. Bolstered by its connection to the fiery energy of Mars in medical astrology, energetically, nettle becomes a beacon of strength and vitality. Its presence in the fall heralds a time to fortify the body, providing a nourishing embrace that supports immunity, combats allergies, and adapts the system to the changing seasons. Nettles also wield anti-inflammatory prowess, benefiting conditions like arthritis. Acting as a gentle diuretic, they assist in fluid balance and blood pressure regulation. As a gentle adaptogen, nettles help the body adapt to stress. Furthermore, their galactagogue nature supports lactating mothers, while their detoxifying action aids the liver. Incorporating raw nettles into our routines during autumn ensures that the body is fortified and ready for the colder days ahead. When harvesting nettle leaves, look for young plants that have not yet gone to seed. The leaves will have jagged edges and grow opposite each other on the stem. You can notice when nettle has gone to seed by the long clusters of flowers next to each leaf. Nettle seeds can also be foraged, as they provide many similar benefits as the rest of the plant. However, for this recipe, we will be focusing on the leaves. Now, let's dive into the recipe. We'll need 2 cups packed fresh nettle leaves, 1/2 cup raw walnuts for heart-healthy omega-3s, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice for a little zing and vitamin C, 3 raw garlic cloves, which are rich in allicin, a compound supporting immunity, 1/4 cup nutritional yeast for a boost of B vitamins, a dash of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, and of course, 1/4 to 1/2 cup cold-pressed olive oil, which provides heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. Start by adding 1/2 cup raw walnuts, 3 garlic cloves, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and a dash of pepper. Pulse until finely ground. Next, add in 2 tablespoons lemon juice and 2 cups of fresh nettles. A trick to prevent being stung by the nettles is to firmly touch the leaves. A light touch will almost guarantee more stings. Continue by pulsing the pesto while incrementally adding more and more olive oil until it forms a smooth paste. Lastly, add 1/4 cup nutritional yeast and another drizzle of olive oil, then pulse until smooth. It's here that you can give it a taste and add more salt, pepper, or nutritional yeast to your liking. And there you have it. The result is a super-powered pesto, capturing the essence of nettles and preserving their health benefits. Spoon it over pasta, spread it on toast, or mix it into your favorite dishes for a burst of flavor and nutrition. To preserve this pesto, freeze it in an ice cube tray, creating easy-to-use single servings to enjoy for months to come.